power tussle that we are seeing almost on a daily basis, viewers, DK Shivkumar, it seems, has managed to find an ally outside his party as well. We're talking about BJP leader Sadanand Gowda, who has made a surprising offer to Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, DK Shivkumar. Sadanand Gowda has said that if DK Shivkumar lends his support to the Bharatiya Janata Party, then BJP will have no problem in accepting him and also helping him form the government. Listen in.
DK Shivkumar ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬಾಹ್ಯ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಕೊಡುವುದಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾವು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರನ್ನೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೇಂದ್ರದವರು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಬೆಂಬಲದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯಿಂದ ಬಾಹ್ಯ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ವರಿಷ್ಠರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 100% ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ವರಿಷ್ಠರ ಮಾತನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅಲ್ಲಗಳೆದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಗಳೆದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಗಳೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಂದ್ರದವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಕೊಡಿ, ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಂಬಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Let's now go across to my colleague Neha, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Neha, now it's a new twist that has emerged. Have we heard anything from DK Shivkumar on this proposal by Sadanand Gowda of the BJP?
Well, yes, earlier we also asked DK Shivkumar about what Mr. Sadanand Gowda there says, and, he very clearly said that some leaders of the BJP and the JDS here, just merely, of course, trying to steer the wagon. But the fact is that, he doesn't need their support, that he is a congressman through and through, that there is a party high command to the Congress, and that they would, in fact, not only look after his interests, but also after the party's best interests. He's reacted quite sharply there. We'll really, of course, have to wait and see now. It is a matter of time before, there is some clarity that comes in from the International Congress's High Command in Delhi.
Right. Can you also, Neha, tell us a little bit about what really happened when Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, was in Bengaluru, was trying to assess what's really happening, and there was a quick meeting that he had with DK Shivkumar as well.
Well, that's right. Of course, there have been a host of political meetings and a host of political developments as well in the state of Karnataka. Whether it's been with MLAs who've gone to Delhi now, who've openly asked for DK Shivkumar to be made the chief minister, whether for that matter it is supporters now who are going on to offer prayers here. The fact is that, even when Mallikarjun Kharge, of course, was in Bengaluru, we had a couple of ministers there meeting with him, a few MLAs as well, possibly, of course, discussing political developments in the state or otherwise. As far as the Deputy Chief Minister himself is concerned, we've heard it from him. He said that, he would further be meeting the High Command yet again, whether this is Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi for that matter, and only then, of course, is a decision likely. But he would respect the decision of the High Command, that he's never someone who's been power hungry or never someone who's asked for the post of Chief Minister, though his supporters, his MLAs, of course, might be. We'll really have to wait and see now. It is a matter of time before some sort of clarity comes in as far as the state of Karnataka and the politics in the state of Karnataka is concerned.
Right. Neha, stay on with us. In fact,